Scientists from the University of California, San Diego as of late fabricated an AI framework that predicts what a bird's going to sing as they're singing it. The large thought here is ongoing discourse combination for vocal prosthesis. However, the ramifications could go a lot further. Front and center. Birdsong is an unpredictable type of correspondence that includes musicality, pitch, and, above all, learned practices. Need assistance arriving at your customers? Here's the manner by which AI can improve your organization's client venture. As per the scientists, instructing an AI to comprehend these tunes is an important advance in preparing frameworks that can supplant organic human vocalizations. While appendage-based engine prosthetic frameworks have utilized non-human primates as a significant creature model, discourse prostheses do not have a comparative creature model and are more restricted as far as neural interface innovation, mind inclusion, and social investigation plan. Larks are an alluring model for learned complex vocal conduct. Birdsong imparts various novel likenesses to human discourse, and its investigation has yielded general understanding into different instruments and circuits behind learning, execution, and upkeep of vocal engine ability. However, deciphering vocalizations continuously is no simple test. Present status of the workmanship frameworks are moderate contrasted with our regular idea to discourse designs. Consider the big picture. State-of-the-art regular language preparing frameworks battle to stay aware of human idea. At the point when you communicate with your Google Assistant or Alexa menial helper, there's frequently a more extended respite than you'd expect in the event that you were conversing with a genuine individual. This is on the grounds that the AI is preparing your discourse, figuring out what each word implies corresponding to its capacities, and afterward sorting out which bundles or projects to get to and send. In the stupendous plan, unfortunately these cloud-based frameworks fill in as quick as they do. However, there is yet not adequate to make a consistent interface for non-vocal individuals to talk through at the speed of thought. The work. First, the group embedded terminals in 12 birdbrains, zebra finches, to be explicit, and afterward began recording movement as the birds sang. However, it's anything but enough to prepare an AI to perceive neural movement as a bird sings. Even an empty head is unreasonably unpredictable to completely plan how correspondences work across its neurons. So the specialists prepared another framework to diminish ongoing melodies down to conspicuous examples the AI can work with. Fast take. This is really cool in that it's anything but an answer for an extraordinary issue. Preparing birdsong continuously is great, and reproducing these outcomes with human discourse would be an aha second. However, this early work isn't prepared for early evening presently. It gives off an impression of being a shoebox arrangement in that it's anything but essentially versatile to other discourse frameworks in its present cycle. To make it work sufficiently quick, the scientists needed to make an easy route to discourse investigation that probably won't work when you extend its anything but a bird's jargon. That being said, with additional advancement this could be among the main Goliath mechanical jumps for Cerebrum PC interfaces since the profound learning renaissance of 2014.